Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let us today begin with learning with Excel series. In this series, I will be explaining a few concepts of Excel. More concepts if you want, which I forget to add, you can always comment down. I will add those. In this series, we will start with basics, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here I am writing few numbers. Now what you have to do next is any formula starts with is equals to sign. Don't forget that. Not just for this, any function starts with an is equals to sign, so I'll write is equals to sum. Don't I here forgot to put a curly bracket, sum. Again see, now you'll see is equals to sum, curly bracket, and choose the cells that you want to add, close with a curly bracket and enter. We'll get 55. Now if you want to do cell again, do is equals to, now you want to add only 2 or like so, choose that column plus, again choose that row plus, and then you can again enter. These are the two ways. If you see here, other than this, if you change the number, automatically the sum will also change. You can see here clearly. Okay, this is how addition is done in Excel in the simplest form. Now next, see, I'm giving more examples. Coming to subtraction, subtract, again I'll write a few numbers. For subtraction also, we'll first start with is equals to sign. Any formula starts with is equals to sign, so don't forget that. So I'll write is equals to, then we'll choose the row that you want to subtract, and then the row from, so if you want to subtract 50 from 22, first choose 22 then 50, or if you want to choose subtract 22 from 50, then first choose 50 and then 22. Okay, every cell will have a color. When you do this, you will notice that every cell will has its different color when you choose it. Okay, now coming to multiply, again I will write a few numbers. Okay, so for subtraction I just subtracted 2 numbers, right? You can do it with more than 2 numbers. So here I did 3 numbers. As you can see, as I told, color for every row will be different. You can see that while choosing the color will be different. Okay, if you change the number, automatically the total will also change. Once you put the formula for the row, it will be done automatically. Again coming to multiply. Okay, again don't forget the basics, that is everything starts with an is equals to sign. I will write few numbers over here for the multiply. Again starting with is equals to, choosing what I want to, then multiplying. This is just the first and the third row that I multiplied. If I want to do all 3, I can do that also. Here above you will see a bar. You can use that as well to make the changes. See, it is basically the bar is over there so that you can write function. You can go behind and see again in slow-mo if you didn't understand. Coming to divide, I will divide 2 numbers here. Okay, again starting with is equals to, choosing what I want to divide. Okay, numerator upon denominator. We'll put in slash for dividing. You can do other way around, that 5, and so it's not necessary that, however you can choose the numbers to divide. So this is basically the 4 easy ones. This is the very basics of Excel. I will be adding more videos. Okay, so till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down things you want to see in future on this channel, and